right, this is the grand finale, the firewall installation, the spiritual antivirus, the point where you stop being food for frequencies and start being the one who writes the code. Sovereignty isn't just saying protect my energy. It's about being your own source signal. Tap into self. It's when your frequency becomes so stable, no hijack can find a fucking energy point. Let's make it simple. Protection starts with ownership. Every leak begins with a moment you gave someone emotional permission to access your field. The fix isn't fear. So here is your protection kit. 1, seal your field daily. Visualize a light grid around you, not from fear, but from authority. 2, detach from outcomes. Obsession opens portals. Peace closes them. 3, guard your words. Every I am is a spell. Stop declaring weakness and start coding strength. 4, move your body. Energy that's stagnant becomes bait. Sweat, breathe, scream, dance. Get it out of your system. Return everything to sender. Quietly, no malice, just sovereignty. When you stand in your own frequency, hijackers can't find you. You go invisible to parasitic programs and become magnetic to alignment. Because true protection isn't hiding. It's radiating so bright that distortion can't survive in your field. That's how you end the hijack, reclaim your current, and walk as the source you came from. And that, my friends, is how you stop being a vessel and start being the voltage. Like a lot of people, they're not allowed to approach me anymore from the past because I've put in firewalls. I've worked hard to get my frequency to this level. I've done the inner work. I am not letting no low vibrational parasitic energy back in my auric field that easily. You either raise to reach me or you stay where I left you. That's how this works. So if that person wants to be in your life, well then guess what? They'll start doing that inner work to heal them. 222 on that timer. You know how this goes. Source says keep talking. They do that inner work and they rise to meet you at your fucking frequency. They don't stay down here and try to pull you back down to their level. Get it? If someone's trying to pull you the fuck back down, well, they're not meant to move forward with you. You leave them where they're at. And you level up. And if they want to reach you, they'll level up as well. And that's how the journey goes with people. When they start falling out of your life, it's because you're picking you and you're healing and raising your vibration. They don't like that, so they start fucking acting out. That's a sign that you're doing the right thing. When people start leaving your life, when they start acting up, you know that you're raising your vibration. Someone doesn't want this coming out. But we're talking. So that's why I'm very big on doing the inner work. Because once you get to a certain point in your chakra healing, once you reach your upper chakras, the lower vibrational energy cannot reach you. They cannot find you. They cannot get to you unless you grant them access. How do you grant them access? When they're coming back round your way, because now we're in Mercury retrograde. Mercury retrograde, I posted about it. Go find it on my feed. Right now is a time to review everything. Basically, we all got tested. Mercury retrograde, source and spirit is grading the fucking paperwork. So when someone comes back into your life that you cut the fuck out, they're coming back to test you to see if you've learned your lesson. So if you let them the fuck back in, guess what? Loop open, back you go. I hope this sparks something in somebody's head. 420 on that timer. Lilith energy. You know, if you're new here, I'm a garden chef from the Garden State. Ain't shit fucking ironic. Our higher selves plan everything for us. So I've been following my signs since 2021. Well, I've been following them for a while, but really heavy from that point forward. And you know, I guess we just 444 on that timer, divinely protected. I guess I just opened an intro into some topics about your signs. Your signs, I did talk about this before. Your signs are basically Source, spirit, and your higher self, but majority of mine, I know how to differentiate when it's my higher self. The more questions you ask, the more you can differentiate where this information is coming from, because, you know, I am a direct channel. When I open myself up for channeling, which I do when I pop on this camera, I ask Source and my higher self to use my meat vessel as a puppet to deliver what I need to deliver, because, you know, my voice is a fucking activator. So if I popped on your feed and you made it this far, welcome to a new level. Level up, level up, level up. Drop me a comment if you made it this far. I leave call to actions there because I want to see who's an NPC and who's an awake soul who's ready to level up, because I'm dropping on everybody's feeds. Have a great day.